everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is PassioKnit Kelsie. Today I'm going to be continuing my beginner crochet series. I'm going to be teaching you how to do the double crochet stitch. So I have my yarn ready and I have my recommended hook size. This one is a 5.5mm hook, and let's go ahead and get started. So as usual, when doing most stitches or pretty much anything in crochet, we're going to start with a slip stitch. I'm going to put that on my hook and I'm going to tighten it up just enough to where it is on my hook, but I still have room to move. And then I'm going to make a chain. I did a chain of 7. If you are still having trouble with making a slip knot or making a chain, you can go back and watch my other beginner tutorials, and that will be very helpful. So to start a row of double crochets, I like to do something that's called a stacked single crochet. So in my first chain, which is this one right here, because we always skip the first, I'm going to do a single crochet just like normal. I'm going to go through this hole, I'm gonna yarn over, pull through 1, I'm gonna yarn over and pull through 2, and that's my single crochet. So from here, I'm going to make a stacked single crochet. So I already have one regular, I just need to stack another one on top of this one. And to do that, I'm gonna take my hook and I'm gonna put it through the front loop of this single crochet. You can see here, we're just gonna go right through this spot right there. Once you're through there, we're just going to do another single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through, I'm going to yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops on my hook, and that is how you make a stacked single crochet. So for the rest of my stitches, I'm just going to be doing regular double crochets from here on out. So to do a double crochet, we're going to yarn over, so we're going to go around our hook, touching the back and then the front. I'm going to go through my next hole, which is this one in my chain. After you've gone through the hole, you're going to yarn over again. So wrap the yarn around your hook, and we're going to pull that one through. You should have 3 loops on your hook at this point. From here, I'm going to wrap my yarn again. I'm going to go back, front, and I'm going to pull through the first 2 loops on my hook. So that's going to be 1, and that's going to be 2. After you've done that, you should have just 2 loops on your hook. I'm going to wrap my yarn back, front, and I'm going to pull through my last 2 loops. 1 and 2. And that makes a double crochet. So for double crochets, it's going to be wrap, go through, wrap, pull through 1, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. I'll do it again one more time, slow. So I'm going to wrap my yarn, go through my next chain, wrap my yarn, pull through once. I'm going to wrap my yarn, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. And then I'm going to wrap my yarn again, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. And that is the end of the double crochet. I'm gonna wrap my yarn, go through my next hole, wrap my yarn again, pull through once, wrap my yarn again, pull through 2 times, wrap my yarn again, pull through 2 times, and there's a double crochet. I have one more chain left, so I'm just going to do my last double crochet. I'm going to yarn over, go through my last spot, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops again. And now I have 6 double crochets. Okay, so from here, I want to make another row of double crochets on top of this one. So I'm going to turn my work, just gonna flip it over like that. It's gonna go whoop, just right over like that, so that we can continue working from right to left. I'm gonna start my row with a stacked single crochet, just how I started my first row. So I'm gonna go in my first spot right here, and I'm gonna do a single crochet. Whenever you're going through, make sure you're going through both sides of your stitches on the top, which is just a little bit different than going through the chain at the beginning. So like I said, I'm gonna start with a single crochet in my first stitch. I'm gonna go through, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's a single crochet. After I have done that, I'm going to go through the front loop of my single crochet, which is here. I'm going to do another single crochet, so I'm going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and there I have my stacked single crochet to start my row of double crochets. From here on out, I'm just going to do regular double crochets in every stitch. So I'll just go over those again for you. I'm going to yarn over, go through my next stitch, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, 1, 2, and there is a double crochet. Yarn over, go through your next stitch, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through twice. Yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through twice. And at this point, you should be getting the hang of double crochets. If you have not gotten the hang of it, just rewatch the beginning of the video and go through it a couple more times. I think really the most difficult part about this is doing the stacked single crochet in the beginning of the row. So I'll just show you guys one more time. I'm gonna take my work, I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna start in my first hole, which is this one right here. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna start my stacked single crochet. So I'm gonna go through the first stitch, just gonna do a regular single crochet. So I'm gonna yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, that's a single crochet. I'm gonna go through the front loop of this single crochet, which is this one right here. I'm going to do another single crochet, so I'm going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2. There's my stacked single crochet, and the rest of the row, which should be 5 more stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are just going to be regular double crochets. So I'm going to yarn over, go through the first stitch, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through twice. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, sorry. yarn over, go in the next stitch, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through twice. Whenever you're doing your rows of double crochet, just as regular, make sure you're counting your stitches every time to make sure you have the same number of stitches every time you go across. If you don't have the same number of stitches, that probably means that you skipped one or you added one somewhere. Well, here is 3 rows of double crochet. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments down below. Definitely go ahead and check out the rest of my beginner series if you are just starting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and that's about all I have for you. So, bye!